Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video, you will learn about the types of triangles as discussed in chapter 9, page 166 of your Maths Carnival 5. I will tell you in detail about 4 types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and right-angled triangle. Starting from equilateral triangle. All the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Suppose if one side of an equilateral triangle is of 5 centimeters, the remaining 2 sides will also be of 5 centimeters each. We mark equal sides of a triangle by short lines to show that the lengths are equal as shown in this triangle. The second thing to notice here is that all the 3 angles of an equilateral triangle are also equal. Remember that every angle of an equilateral triangle is always of 60 degrees, so that when we add the measure of those 3 angles, we get 180 degrees, which is a necessary condition for it to be called a triangle. Here are some examples of an equilateral triangle. You can see that the length of each side of the green triangle is 6 centimeters. Also, note that the measure of each angle of this green triangle is 60 degrees. And the same is true for the red triangle and the yellow triangle. Now, the second type is isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. You can see that only 2 sides of this triangle are marked by short lines. So, these 2 sides are equal in length. Another property of an isosceles triangle is that its 2 angles are also equal. But keep in mind that the 2 equal angles are always opposite to the equal sides. Here you see few examples of an isosceles triangle. I am going to explain the pink triangle. 2 sides of this triangle are equal and are marked by short lines. The length of each of these 2 sides is 3 centimeters. Next type is the scalene triangle. All the 3 sides of a scalene triangle are of different lengths. It is obvious from this triangle that its one side has been marked by 1 short line, second side by 2 short lines, and the third side by 3 short lines. This indicates that all the 3 sides are unequal. Moreover, all the 3 angles of a scalene triangle are also unequal. Few examples of scalene triangle are here for you. I will explain the one with orange color. It is clear that all the 3 sides of this triangle are unequal. Any side of this triangle has not been marked by a short line. The reason is that the length of each side is different from the other side, and the length of each side has been clearly mentioned on it. The fourth type of triangle is the right-angled triangle. One of the angles of this triangle is a right angle. I mean that one angle of a right-angled triangle is always of 90 degrees. The side which is opposite to the right angle is the longest side. An important thing to mention here is that a right-angled triangle can either be a scalene triangle or an isosceles triangle? You can see these three examples of right-angled triangle. The red triangle is a right-angled triangle. It has one right angle. Moreover, its two sides are of equal length and have been marked by short lines. So, it is also an isosceles triangle. Both the yellow triangle and the blue triangle are also the right-angled triangles, but these two triangles are the scalene triangles because their three sides are unequal in length. Now, your home task is to do the practice zone given on page 167 of your Maths Carnival 5. This practice zone has one question. This question includes three parts. Part A. Which of the triangles are equilateral triangles? Part B. Which of the triangles are isosceles triangles? Part C. Which of the triangles are right-angled triangles? In case of any difficulty, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.